All right, so as digital nomads, we know how important work from home jobs are, and we get reached out to on the daily for information on work from home jobs. Everybody wants a work from home job. The problem is 99% of them are scams.
Yeah, and we are going to talk about work from home job scams, but specifically today we're going to be talking about bait and switch work from home job scams so you can avoid getting scammed.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Paula and Natasha with Nomadic-AF. Today we are going to be talking about work from home job scams, specifically bait and switch scams.
Yeah, these are so prevalent on social media, it's ridiculous.
Oh my God.
Every single day on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, there's some creator or influencer out there that is saying they have $100 an hour jobs and they're going to show you how to do it. They ain't. It is a scam. And like she said, like Natasha said, they're all bait and switch scams. The bait is the $100 an hour job. The switch we're going to get into later.
Yeah.
So I literally spent like 10 minutes on TikTok and found 8 of these scammers. The first 8 I found.
So they're that prevalent.
They're that prevalent. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Do not type in work from home into TikTok. Your algorithm will be fucked. All right. So let's take a look at these 8 scammers. So every single job offer on TikTok I'm going to go with is fake and a scam just to separate you from your money. And these 8 people around us are no different.
Okay, so we're going to take a look at each of these 8 job scammers, and we're going to look at their bait, their hook, their switch, and then we will tell you the actual scam that each of these guys are using.
Yeah, so when we're letting them talk about their bait and everything, we're going to put up the red flags that you really should notice, but they're sly, right? They're really slick at this. So when you hear these red flags, we're going to point them out. These are the things you need to be looking for.
Yeah, definitely.
Best part-time job ever that I'm going to share with you right now. I know my shirt is loud, but I love it. So here's the thing. If you want a part-time job that all you need is a phone, there's no requirement of skills and following and any of that stuff. You just have to have a willing heart and a cell phone. And I'm going to show you the best part-time job that you can do about an hour, 2 hours a day just by sharing.
Put you onto a stupid easy side hustle that almost anyone can do. Started this over 1.5 years ago, and when I first told my husband about it, he was like, yeah, no, that's a scam, but now it pays for our rent every single month and mostly passive income too. You don't have to worry too much about competition or oversaturation because most people probably already scrolled past this video, so if you're here, be one of the few people that actually...
So I found this random job online that said you could make $25 to $35 an hour just by replying to messages, and I thought, here we go again, another scam ad. But I was curious, so I signed up. And listen, it wasn't anything crazy. No sales, no cold calls, no pitching weird products. You literally answer questions for online businesses, help customers with orders, and send them links or discount codes. They give you all the templates.
Hi, hun. So you're ready to work from home. So listen up. If you are 18 or above and you're in the USA or Canada, excluding a province and a few states, you can do this too. In 2024, you don't have to work 8 hours a day at a 9 to 5 to make a good income. All you need is 2 to 3 hours a day and a few materials.
Okay, those baits all sound great, don't they?
Yeah, those sound like legitimate jobs.
Unskilled
work, financial freedom, set your own hours. Everything sounds great. This sounds like the dream job I've been looking for.
Yeah, working from your pajamas.
Right. Now, they're going to hook you in. They set the bait out. You smelled it, you were interested. They're going to set this hook and they're going to drag you into this scam. So let's look at these hooks real quick. These hooks are very simple hooks, right?
Okay, for this instance in TikTok, it's just a link.
Yeah, the hook is nothing but a link. Yeah, and what that link does is it takes you out of the social media, in this case TikTok.
The safety net of social media.
Right, because somebody on TikTok is going to say, oh, this is bullshit, this is a scam, I can't, right? They don't want that naysayers. They need this hook, this link to pull you into their scam. So let's look at these hooks really quick.
Yeah, you're basically hooked and now they need to reel you in, but they need to do it off of social media or your friends and family will call bullshit.
Yep, so these are the hooks. There's just this link on each of their profiles that says, for more info, just reach out. I'll help you.
Yeah, why not?
So now, as soon as you take the bait and bite on this hook, they're going to use this link, this hook, to reel you into the switch.
Yeah.
Now, let's look at these switches.
Yeah.
Right? They've taken you off the TikTok platform. You are in their domain now. They control this. So you're going to see that a job offer has turned into a $200 course.
Yeah, an affiliate link.
An affiliate link to somebody else's course. A scam where they want you to make an initial payment.
Yeah, or monthly fees.
Monthly
even.
fees. What you're not going to find after you click on this hook is a job.
Any information about any kind of job at all.
There's no more job. This is the classic bait and switch. The job is the bait. This is the switch. You are in their scam now.
Yeah, the theory is that you'll say, oh, well, there's no job, but look, this course
will help me get a job.
Yeah, which is total bullshit, but it works.
Yeah, it works all the time. These people are banking.
Yeah. Okay, so what started out as a real work from home job is now turned into a pitch to buy some worthless course or something.
Yeah, and this is the classic bait and switch. There are no work from home jobs on TikTok. It's all scam.
Okay, guys, so each of these 8 scammers follow the same formula, the bait, the hook, the switch, and we are going to reveal to you what each of these guys are actually selling because it ain't a job.
No, it certainly is. All right, and there it is for Hazel's Corner. That job has turned into a $250 course you need to take before you can get the job.
Yeah, which makes absolutely no sense if that is a major red flag to pay to work.
Yeah, so this is not a job offer. She's not telling you about a real job. She's pitching a course.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so this is earn for writing, and she says that you can earn $50 to $75 an hour for writing, but
in reality, she's going to separate you from your money. It costs you $250 to find out her secret and $20 a month. Now, she doesn't care if you get this job because she's collecting her $250 and that's all that matters. Yeah. Now, something on here I also want to note is if you look at this, who is this for? Well, it lists, well, you got to be 18 or older in the Canada or the USA, except for this province and these states.
Yeah, that's a red flag.
That's a huge red flag because if you get into it, those states and province and Canadian province that this is not applicable in, it's because those states and provinces has really strict customer protection laws. Yeah. And they will financially sue this girl for scamming you.
Yeah, so she's not allowed to do it in certain states in the United States, and she's not allowed to do it in certain provinces in Canada.
Right, and that should be a huge red flag.
If it's illegal, it's a red flag.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. And one more thing to note on this girl, it's so scammy, it's ridiculous. Under How Do I Get Paid is it takes 10 weeks to get paid.
Yeah.
So you have your initial payment and your monthly payment.
Plus those $20 a month fees adding up.
Right. So you're into all this money for her before you get a paycheck, which you'll never even get. She's just stringing you along for 10 weeks.
Waiting for that check to clear.
That's it. All right. So this prosper with Laura, this reveal on her is she's not after your money. She's after your email address.
Yep.
That's it. I don't think a lot of people really understand how valuable an email address is.
Yeah. You've been an email marketer for quite a long time, and you know.
Yeah. Email addresses are expensive, especially an email from a person that you know is looking for a work from home job.
It's considered a targeted email.
It is. Yeah. And she's just collecting them and selling them. That's her scam. That's it.
Look at the reveal for everyday profit. And when you click their link, it goes to an affiliate site that isn't even their own. It's somebody else's course that they're trying to sell you.
Right. So there's no job at all. All she wants is you to click that link so she can collect her affiliate payment.
Yep.
There's no job. She is scamming you to make an affiliate commission.
Yeah, sucks.
It does. Okay, so look at this bait and switch reveal on Ellie here. There was no job. The bait is gone. The switch is this $67 video she has on how to write reviews for Amazon.
Yeah.
That could be on YouTube.
Yeah.
You don't have to pay for those kinds of videos.
Yeah, we could probably tell you how to do that.
Yeah. All she's doing is writing Amazon reviews and hoping to get a commission, and she's going to charge you $67 for a video that she slapped together in an hour.
Yeah, I would love to see that video, actually.
I'm not paying for that, no.
No, of course not, but...
All right.
Okay, so we're going to look at the reveal for Taylor's Hustle, and when you click this landing page, you get to yet another affiliate site where Taylor is going to be earning a commission on somebody else's course that they created, and it's just so unnerving how angry this makes me. But she's making all this money when she's offering you a job that you're never going to get.
Yeah, and you got to pay $100 for a system to tell you how to get a job.
Yeah.
It's bullshit.
It's bullshit.
Yeah.
Alon's work from home job is a virtual assistant, but when you get to the landing page, it turns out to be a blueprint or a course on how to get started as a virtual assistant. So she wants you to buy a course to teach you how to be a VA, which apparently she can't even do, because wouldn't she just be working as a VA if she made all this money?
Right, yeah. So there was no job. You got baited into a VA job and sold a course as the switch.
Yep.
It's how it is every single time.
Yep.
All right, so the reveal on Sabrina's bait and switch scam is pretty bad. I mean, she's talking about all this free access to all these wealth creator courses and everything. And then you say, yeah, I'm interested in this free course. And you have to keep clicking and keep clicking. And the deeper you get into this funnel, all of a sudden, this job that has turned into a free course is now a $2,300
Jesus Christ.
course on how to make money working from home.
Yeah, and even if she gets a 10% exchange on that.
Yeah, how many of these? She's getting thousands of clicks to this course.
Wow.
Yeah, even if she just makes a 10% commission, but on these courses, the commission's 50%.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, these commissions are real high.
So she's getting $1,000
Yeah.
from each of these people that sign up for this.
Yep.
Wow. And who wanted a job because they need a job.
And they needed money, but they're out $2,000.
Oh, my God.
That's how they all are.
Yeah.
Every work from home job is a scam.
Bait, hook, switch.
Yep, that's it. And as you can see, every one we found on TikTok was a scam. Every single work from home job.
Yeah, unfortunately.
All right. So as you can see, especially on TikTok, but this happens on Facebook. I'm going to do a Facebook video one. I'm going to do a YouTube video one.
LinkedIn.
This was just on TikTok. And every work from home job offer on TikTok is a bait and switch scam.
Yeah.
Every one of them.
Yeah, your algorithm is fucked.
Oh, certainly. So the job is the bait. The course or the affiliate link is the switch. There is not a single legitimate job offer on there. Yeah. And if you think you're going to get a work from home job from TikTok, you are going to be scammed.
Yeah, absolutely. Don't do it.
Yep. The next videos we're going to do is we're taking each of these course people, each of these scammers, and really doing a deep dive on their scam.
Okay, guys, so yeah, if you like content like this or you're interested in following up on these 8 creators and what they are trying to sell, like and subscribe because we'll be doing, like he said, a deep dive into those. Till next time, guys.
Bye.